What's up, people? Cassie here from Passive Passion Online Income, and today's video I'm basically going to be giving you a review about 10x Grand Caravan Conference. Today is actually the second day, and I'm right now on my way to the venue. So, talking about yesterday's event, well, it was a terrific start. All right, Grant in his typical avatar, was spot on. The fireworks were great. The entry was outstanding, and also the content and message that was delivered was good. However, the only drawback that I found of the event was the audibility. Since we were all seated on the executive section of the arena, things weren't quite clear and audible on that particular side. Although they had gone with the echoing system, wherein when a speaker speaks, the voice is repeated like almost 2-3 times, but that wasn't helping it. Whereas for the people sitting in the diamond and gold levels weren't having so much of difficulty. I did think of taking the diamond ticket, but then I was like, just fuck it. I don't think so. It should be an issue, but I hope the organizers do something about it, because what I heard is there were already some people who've claimed for refunds because they were just disappointed with the audibility. So I hope things get sorted out by today, and we enjoy the whole show. Nevertheless, in all fairness to the speakers, especially guys like Ty Lopez, TF Harvey, they all delivered valuable content. So I wouldn't say it's been a disappointment. It's been a great show so far. It's just one particular aspect of the audibility which they can work on, and I hope that it gets sorted out today. So we'll be making another video, and we'll be giving you my review on day 2. All right. So you guys take care. Talk to you soon.